What's up everyone? Here is one printer SP laserjet Pro 400 DN. This is a network printer. This printer problem is very peculiar problem. You can see I have printed this page from this printer all over the pin page. Here is a black line showing. Okay, viewers, you can imagine this problem comes from printer cartridge, but that is not true. Where is the problem? I will fix this. Okay, let's check using for printer display. Let's see what is the problem. You can see this was printed absolutely right. Here is a no black line, but that type of print it will comes after printed so many pages when the printer is overheated. Okay, today I will fix this. Let's start how to fix it. Okay, okay, viewers, let's explain the problem. uh, that type of problem has come when the fusion unit has gone overheated. That means that problem is comes from this fusion unit. Today I will change this problem and to change this fusion unit, that will be absolutely okay. Before I have solved this that type of problem, that's why I am showing this you the how to fix this black line problem. You can see the paper. uh, Sometime it has come black line, state black line particularly. Okay, so many line is here. I have brought a brand new freezer in it from local market. This is same to same, no problem. Okay viewers, our job is done. Good. Turn on the printer.